Hi everyone, Simon here from Urban Plumbers London. Today I'm taking you on a tour of a high-end bathroom renovation that I just completed here in Crystal Palace. Stay till the end of the video for a full breakdown of cost involved in such a bathroom renovation. Let's start with a quick overview of the bathroom. Walk-in shower, as you can see, designer towel rail. We also have this beautiful back-to-wall bath and a cross-water floor standing bath filler. As you can see, it's here. Getting this bath here, you have to remember we are on a second floor. The bath can take 200 liters of water. It weighs 85 kilograms. Really wasn't easy to get it in because of the depth of it. It's 800 deep. Wall-hang toilet with a nice plate. Wash basin with cross-water tap. Hardwood worktop. Fitted unit with mirrors. And the feature that I really like on this unit, have a look at that. Ooh, the lights come on. I guess you can't really see it. Isn't that great? How cool is that? When I built this unit, I thought it would give anyone more space that you could think of. Clearly, I was wrong. Don't underestimate how much space a woman needs. It's all taken. Another piece of joinery that I built for this bathroom. This cupboard was built to close a combination boiler, and there's some storage. What was involved in this project was a conversion of an existing bedroom into a master bathroom. We took all the floors up, we installed P5 moisture resistant boards on the floor, we leveled the floors, leveled the walls, stripped existing wiring. I had to run all the cold and hot water supplies from the floor below, waste, drainage. All of this bathroom, including wiring and plumbing, is new. I also created this partitioning on this wall to hide the chimney breast, and that allows me to create recesses in the shower area and in the bath area. I also created this boxing with hardwood worktop to conceal the cistern and frame for the wall-hang toilet. There's that small boxing on the back. That's where the waste pipe from the shower and the bath is hidden. Talking about tiling, we've got some large format tiles here. Grey ones on one wall, 300 by 600. All the other walls are white, same tile, different color. And floor has 600 by 600 large format tiles. Tiles were purchased from a company called Rovic, R-O-V-I-C, and I'm really impressed with them. They're very good quality. It's really easy to get a very decent finish with them. They're very uniform. And those tiles are not that expensive. You get an amazing high-end finish with those tiles without having to pay premium. So the main feature of this bathroom is this freestanding bath. It's actually back to wall, but it has this freestanding look. This bath is clear water patinato petite. You have to remember this is 85 kilograms bath, which is much heavier than a standard bath. It's not super heavy, there are heavier baths, but handling 85 kilograms without damaging it, especially with 800 depth, is you have to be careful. It's not an easy job. A very good strong labor is always handy. This cross-water wisp, WISP tap, freestanding tap, it's a thermostatic tap with the shower attachment. Again, a beautiful feature for any bathroom. One thing I'll mention about this tap is it has very small waterways. I think they must be about 8-10 mil. You need to make sure you have a good water pressure, otherwise it's going to take forever for the bath to fill. As a matter of fact, when we installed this tap, the first bath the client took, I think it took him 34 minutes to fill this 160 liter bath. We resolved that issue by increasing the pressure by installing additional boosters, and now it takes 12 minutes to fill the bath, so we managed to overcome that problem. Just be careful if you're planning on getting this tap. Make sure you've got a recommended 2-bar pressure. That's cross-water manufacturer's recommended pressure. Another very nice feature of this bathroom is this Groe, I think you pronounce it geotherm smart shower. What this shower does, it has a push buttons that turn the water on and off. So you turn it on by pressing buttons, and you can adjust the flow, turning those buttons anti-clockwise to lower the flow and clockwise to increase the flow. Those adjustments give you very limited control, but still help you save water if you're environmentally conscious. The main shower head has 2 separate mixed water supplies. So there are 2 50 ml copper pipes going all the way to the main shower head to give you 2 separate showers you can use at the same time, or you can use them individually. A very nice cool feature, and obviously a thermostatic valve One thing I have to say about those showers, that they look great, they're beautifully designed, and the idea is amazing. Thing to keep in mind, everything inside that valve is made of plastic. When this valve was first installed by me, I got a leak from one of those push buttons controls, and it was cracked. It was delivered cracked, and it doesn't boost any confidence that it's all made of plastic. You won't see any brass, any metal parts inside. The good thing though is it's really easy to replace all internals of that valve. You take the plate off, undo 4 screws, and you drop new valve in. You don't have to remove any tiles, which is great because most concealed valves require removal of tiles. This one doesn't, so I like it a lot. Although it looks like a fragile plastic construction, if needed it's very easy to repair or service this. Very nice, very heavy, very expensive. Not much more to say here. Groy concealed cistern. What I like about that plate, it does not use rods like Gabbard for example. You just push air to operate the mechanism. It seems much more reliable than other designs and I really like it. It also feels much sturdier than other designs once the plate is on the wall. It doesn't wobble, you know, it's nice and solid. It has a good feel to it. Client supplied hardwood worktop. It's a nice finishing touch. Client's not sure about it, they're gonna keep it this color or not. We've got some spare row of cuts that we might stain. We'll see what happens to that. Maybe it will grow on them and we'll just keep it. Okay, let's talk about cost. Fitted mirrored cabinet cost. Fitted cabinet for the boiler. You can have a look inside. Full of stuff. Home boost, eye boost, pump to boost the pressure, concealed toilet frame, toilet, rapid basin and a tap, chrome trap, bath, clear water, patinato petite, cross water freestanding tap, grow a smart shower kit with a big large shower head. Design a radiator tray, raised shower tray. I mean, it's a slimline tray, but I had to raise it to get the fall for my drainage. And a fixed glass panel with a retaining arm. Underfloor heating. The cost of this underfloor heating was to supply. It's a Ditramat integrated underfloor heating system, so it's a cable that goes in between Ditramat. So yeah, it comes with a touchscreen thermostat that's installed obviously outside of the bathroom. And we are back in my office. Before I give you a total figure as promised, I'd like to ask you for comments. Please let me know what you think about this bathroom. What would you have done differently? Do you think I've done a good job there? Maybe you think I did a terrible job. Let me know. Thumbs up or thumbs down, I want to know. Okay, now for the big reveal. Labor and installation materials, 5,500. Joinery, 1,400. Rubbish removal, £250. All tiles, 1,200. Worktop, guess estimate of £300. Underfloor heating and thermostat, £380. Sanitrayware, roughly £6,000. Total cost of this bathroom is pretty much spot on £15,000. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you're interested in more videos like this, please subscribe. See you in the next one.